Which is better, Honda Fit or Chevrolet Sonic? The Chevrolet Sonic's easy-to-understand standard infotainment framework is very much outfitted with an extensive touchscreen, the Wi-Fi problem area, and cell phone incorporation. However, few propelled driver help highlights are accessible, and the base trim needs regularly standard amenities like power windows and voyage control. The Fit is a superior esteem, because of its extra standard highlights and cutting-edge security choices. Which is better, Honda Fit or Toyota Yaris? Another little hatchback to consider is the Toyota Yaris, not to be mistaken for the Yaris e-car. In case you're searching for a moderate, down-to-earth little auto with a background marked by a unwavering quality, the Yaris will suit your requirements. It additionally accompanies more standard dynamic security highlights than the Fit, including path takeoff caution, programmed high pillars, and pre-crash braking. The Fit, be that as it may, has more traveler and payload space, and additionally unrivaled taking care of. The Fit is the better vehicle by and large. Which is better, Honda Fit or Ford Fiesta? The Ford Fiesta is another great contrasting option to the Honda Fit, particularly in case you're on a financial plan. It has both an easy-to-understand infotainment framework and premium materials, yet its back column is confined, and its load zone is constrained in both car and hatchback models. By examination, the Fit has a lot of room for race-situate travelers, and you'll have the capacity to fit significantly more freight in the Honda. The Fit is the champ here.